Hello internet world, welcome to my Cuktech Power Special. In today's video I have got a couple of awesome, and I mean absolutely awesome, power banks to show you. I can't wait to share with you my opinion. Full disclosure, these were sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the Cuktech 25. It's a power bank, part of their P series, and this has got a 25,000 milliamp hour battery inside and a max 210 watt output. Really nice packaging. You can see here single port maximum 140 watt, maximum output 210, and that 25,000 milliamp hour capacity. So this is primarily USB type C, but I will show you the connections on it very shortly. We get a USB-C to USB-C cable inside the box. We get a nice carry pouch with a little tag on it. So this is going to allow you to carry the power bank around. We get some instructions as well, and then we get this awesome power bank. This is a really substantial device, really nicely made. You can see on the side here, it says 25,000 milliamp hours, 210 watt max. We've got some input and output ratings on the back. They are readily available on the spec sheet on the manufacturer's website. Very, very nice quality. I'll show you the top first. So this has got a USB-A output and also two USB-Cs, and these act as in and out. Different ratings on each. Really nicely positioned though. Really nice construction on this. And then just look at this front panel. Wow. We're going to turn this on and you'll get to see the brilliant, and I mean brilliant, display on this. So this gives you information about the total output, total input, the wattage, and what's being charged through the ports as well. It really is fantastic. And I'm just going to grab a cable here, plug it into one of the ports to give it some charge, and you'll see that it starts charging. We get this line here, and you can see the percentage. It's currently at 49.85, 86, 87, 88, 89. You can see it counting up as it charges that internal battery, and you can see the rate at what we're charging it as well. It's got this really nice sort of semi-translucent panel on the bottom here, so we can see this light come up to show that it is charging. Really nice to be able to see some of the internal workings here. You can see a little cooling fins as well in there to keep everything nice and cool. It is fantastic, really super useful. And the fact that it's got such a high output rating as well means that you can use this to charge things like laptops. So this is capable of charging laptops, digital cameras, a whole host of different devices can be charged with this. Of course your smartphone as well. We've got those three outputs that can be used at the same time. This is one of the best power banks I've experienced, and as such I can highly recommend it. This is the Cuktech 15. It's a USB-C power bank. It's got a 20,000 milliamp hour battery inside, really good capacity, and a maximum 150 watt output. If we take a look on the back, we've got some of the main sort of features here and all of the ratings for the various ports and charging capability. This is readily available on the manufacturer's website. It's got a 90 watt ultra fast input, also 150 watt maximum output, and a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity. Why would you want something like this? Well, if you're going to charge your laptop whilst you're out and about, if you're going to charge your smartphone, maybe a tablet, maybe an action camera or digital camera, this has got the power to do that. It's a really nice design, as you can see here. We've got all of the ratings on the side here as well. We've got a textured back panel here. This is the bottom, and then across the top we have got the inputs and outputs. So we have got a USB-A output just here. We've got a USB-C output and then a USB-C in and out on this blue one just here. Let's plug this in actually, give it some charge going into the device, and you can see here we've got a little display which shows it's currently at 62%. We've also got a power on off button here as well. So this is what it looks like when it's charging, and of course when you're charging something this will count down as it depletes the battery inside. Very, very good device this, solid build quality, super useful to charge all those different devices whilst you're on the go. A great capacity as well with this 20,000 milliamp hours. That's plenty to charge a lot of devices whilst you're out and about. I can highly recommend you check this one out. So that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments section below which one of these is your favourite. I haven't got a favourite. I in fact absolutely love both of these and I can highly recommend them. There are purchase links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.